2 hours, that's how long the average business owner spends every single day just managing Facebook and Instagram separately, posting the same thing twice, checking DMs in two different apps, wondering why a customer went cold, then realizing you missed their message 4 days ago because you forgot to check Instagram. If you're running your pages like that right now, posting randomly, no system, no schedule, I want you to hear this clearly. That's not a discipline problem. That's a tooling problem, and it has a very specific fix. There is a free tool built by Meta, the same company that owns Facebook and Instagram, that combines every single one of those tasks into one dashboard. Posts, scheduling, DMs, comments, analytics, ads, one login, one screen. And most business owners have never even heard of it. It's called Meta Business Suite. By the end of this video, you'll have yours set up and actually working. No fluff, just the setup, the features that matter, and how to stop wasting 2 hours a day on a problem that's already been solved. If this kind of video saves you time, hit subscribe before we start. I drop these every week. Before we touch the dashboard, let me give you the 90-second version of what this actually is. Because I see a lot of confusion online. People think Meta Business Suite is the same as Facebook Business Manager, or Creator Studio, or Ads Manager. They're not. Here's the clean version. Meta Business Suite is the current, free, all-in-one command center for managing your business on Facebook and Instagram. Think of it as the hub. Everything else, ads, creator tools, commerce, lives inside it or plugs into it. It's built specifically for people running actual businesses, not developers, not ad agencies. Business owners, exactly like you, who need to post content, reply to customers, run the occasional ad, and actually know if any of it is working. Here's what you get the moment you set it up. One window to post to Facebook and Instagram simultaneously. A content calendar where you can schedule weeks of posts in advance. A single inbox for every DM, comment, and story reply from both platforms. Analytics that show you what's working. Reach, engagement, follower growth. An ad center where you can run and track campaigns without touching the mobile app. And role-based team access so your VA can post without ever touching your ad billing. And I want to be clear about something. You don't have to run ads to use this. You don't have to pay for anything. You just need a Facebook business page. That's the only requirement. All right, let's do this. Open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. I'll put the direct link in the description. Go bookmark it now, because this is going to become your daily driver. You're going to log in using your personal Facebook account, the one that's already connected to your business page. Now I know some of you just flinched. You're thinking, I don't want my personal account involved in my business stuff. Completely valid instinct. But here's the reality. Meta only uses your personal login to verify who you are. Your personal timeline, your friends list, your photos, none of that becomes public or visible to your customers. It's just authentication. Standard practice. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. If it's your first time, Meta will walk you through connecting your assets, your Facebook page, and your Instagram account. Left sidebar, click Settings. Then Accounts. Then Instagram. You'll see a blue Connect Account button. Click that, sign in with your Instagram credentials, and that's it. Both platforms are now linked. Quick heads up. Your Instagram must be a professional account, either business or creator, to connect here. If yours is still a personal account, open Instagram, go to Settings, then Account, then switch to Professional Account. It's free and takes about 30 seconds. You'll keep all your existing posts and followers. Now both platforms are live inside Meta Business Suite. Every feature we're about to walk through, posting, inbox, analytics, applies to both simultaneously. Quick orientation lap, so you're never lost. The left sidebar is where you live. Here's what each section actually does. No jargon. Home is your activity overview and quick actions, your daily check-in. Inbox is every DM and comment from both platforms combined, your customer service hub. Posts and stories is where you create, schedule, and manage content. Reels handles your short-form video for both Facebook and Instagram together. Planner is your visual content calendar for weekly and monthly planning. Ad Center is where you boost posts, run campaigns, and manage budgets. Insights gives you reach, engagement, and follower data. And Commerce is for anyone running a Facebook or Instagram shop. The four you'll touch every single day. Inbox, posts and stories, planner, and insights. That's the core loop. Let's work through each one. Let me show you the feature that immediately eliminates the posting the same thing twice problem, because this is probably why you clicked on this video. Click Create Post in the top right. Your content creation window opens. Follow along with me. I'll go step by step. Step 1. Choose your destinations. You'll see checkboxes for your Facebook page and your Instagram account. Check both. Step 2. Write your caption. One tip: Instagram doesn't support clickable links and captions, so if you're driving traffic somewhere, use the Facebook caption for the link and leave the Instagram caption clean. Step 3. Add your photo or video. Click Add Photo or Video and select your file. Supported formats are JPG, PNG, and MP4. Best aspect ratio for feed posts is 1:1 square. For stories or reels, use 9:16. Step 4. Do not hit Publish now. Bottom right, click the small drop-down arrow next to that button. Choose Schedule Post. This is the step most people miss. It's a drop-down, not a separate button. Step 5. Pick your date and time. Meta will suggest optimal times based on when your specific audience is most active online. Use their suggestion until you have 30 or more days of your own data. Step 6. Hit Schedule. Done. That post will publish to both platforms automatically at exactly that time, even if you're asleep, in a meeting, or on a flight. That's it. One post. Both platforms. Automatic. Now here's where it gets genuinely powerful. Go to the Planner tab in the left sidebar. You now have a visual calendar of every piece of content you've scheduled. You can see exactly what's going out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the whole week in one view. Drag and drop to reschedule. If a campaign date shifts, you move it in 2 seconds. Here's the move I'd recommend. Batch your content once a week, block 45 minutes, Sunday night works well, write and schedule 5 to 7 posts for the entire week. After that session, your pages stay active and consistent without you touching them again until the following Sunday. That's the compounding effect of a real system. I want to show you something that's probably going to make you a little mad. Mad that you didn't have it sooner. Click Inbox in the left sidebar. Every message, every comment, every DM. From Facebook, from Instagram. All right, here. In one feed, no more switching apps. No more leaving someone on red for 5 days because you forgot to open Instagram. No more missing a sale because a customer asked a question and you just didn't see it. Everything is here, and you reply directly from here. It routes to the right platform automatically. You can filter by platform, by message type, DMs, comments, story replies. Mark things as done once you've handled them, flag for follow-up, and, if you have a team, assign individual conversations to specific people. While you're in the inbox, set this up immediately. Go to Inbox, then Automations, then Instant Reply. Toggle it on. Write a short, human-sounding message. Something like, "Hey, thanks for reaching out to your business name. We'll get back to you within a few hours." Save it. Now, anyone who DMs you gets an immediate acknowledgement around the clock, even on weekends, even at midnight. The difference between a business that feels responsive and one that feels like nobody's home is often just this one toggle. One thing to avoid: don't write a generic, soulless auto reply. Your message is important to us is a trust killer. Use your actual business name. Set a realistic time frame. Within a few hours is good. One human-sounding sentence beats 3 corporate ones. Here's the thing about posting consistently. It only works if you know what's working. Posting without data is just hoping. Insights is where you stop hoping and start deciding. Click Insights. Here are the 5 numbers that actually tell you something. Reach: unique people who saw your content. This tells you whether your content is being shown at all. Engagement rate: interactions divided by reach. This tells you whether people are actually responding or just scrolling past. Follower growth: net new followers over a period. This tells you whether your audience is actually building. Best time to post: when your audience is most active. Use this to set your schedule slots. And top posts: your highest performing content. Identify the pattern and repeat it. Here's the system I'd recommend. Every Friday, spend exactly 10 minutes in here. Look at what performed well that week. And ask yourself one question. Why did this post outperform the others? Was it the topic, the format, the time it went out, the length of the caption? The answer to that question is your content strategy for next week. Not a course, not a guru, your own data, telling you exactly what your specific audience responds to. That feedback loop is what actually grows channels, not posting more frequently, but posting smarter. One more thing inside Insights. Use the compare function to benchmark this month against last month. If reach is up but engagement rate is flat, you're attracting the wrong people. If engagement is up but reach is flat, you have a distribution problem. Think hashtags, shares, or a modest boost. The data tells you exactly which lever to pull. If you have a virtual assistant, a social media manager, or a business partner who posts for you, this next feature saves the relationship. Go to Settings, then People, then Add People. Enter their email. Assign a role. Admin, editor, analyst, or advertiser. Give your VA the editor role. They can create and schedule posts. They cannot touch your ad billing. They cannot change your page settings. Clean permission structure. No more shared passwords. No more accidentally posted from the wrong account, because they only have access to exactly what they need. And that's the full setup. Meta Business Suite is live. Both platforms are connected. Your first week of content is scheduled. Your inbox is set up to catch every single message. Your analytics are tracking everything. And if you have a team, they're in with exactly the right permissions. Here's what I want to leave you with. Most business owners I talk to feel like social media is this giant, exhausting, never-done task that's always hanging over them. That feeling isn't because social media is hard. It's because they're doing it with the wrong setup. 2 apps, no system, no schedule, no data. Meta Business Suite doesn't make you a better marketer overnight, but it removes every piece of friction that was making this harder than it needed to be. And it does that for free, starting today. If this helped you, subscribe. I post videos like this every single week. Practical tools, real workflows, and the kind of shortcuts that actually save you time running a business. Hit the bell so you catch the next one. I'll see you in the next one.